Termites construct towering ventilation systems that regulate temperature better than many human buildings. And honeybees can reorganize their entire colony structure within hours after disruption. But using a living animal as a temporary construction surface? That raises fascinating questions. Scientists still don't fully understand how insects determine what qualifies as stable building ground. Bees rely heavily on pheromones, chemical signals that guide the colony's collective decisions. If those signals become disrupted, the boundaries between environment and organism may blur. To the bees, the raccoon's fur might have simply felt like rough bark. Just another surface, another place to build. Meanwhile, the raccoon's body was fighting its own battle. Raccoons possess surprisingly resilient immune systems. Their thick fur protects against cold, bites, and environmental hazards. Their skin contains layers capable of resisting moderate injury. But venom from multiple bee stings triggers massive inflammation, swelling, fatigue, temporary paralysis. The mother raccoon lay motionless not because she had died, but because her body had entered a state of protective shock. A biological pause. While deep inside her tissues, immune cells began neutralizing toxins, repairing damage, and slowly bringing her back. Hours passed. Then daylight. Sunlight filtered through the forest canopy, warming the strange structure that had formed overnight. Honeycomb glistened in the light. Bees moved across its surface in organized lines. And beneath that wax lattice, the raccoon began to stir. A twitch of the paw, a slow breath, then another. The hive erupted again, but this time not in attack. Worker bees lifted into the air in a chaotic cloud as the massive shape beneath them moved. Wax cracked, honeycomb fractured, and the raccoon, confused, sore, but alive, rose to her feet. Encounters like this are rarely witnessed, and they raise deeper questions about the boundaries between species. How often do animals become accidental parts of other organisms' ecosystems? How many interactions occur in forests every night that scientists never see? The truth is, nature is far stranger than we imagine. A mother raccoon searching for food, a colony of insects protecting their home, two biological worlds colliding in ways neither intended. The forest eventually returns to normal. The bees rebuild their hive. The raccoon disappears back into the shadows, likely returning to the hidden den where her young wait. But the event leaves behind something larger than a story. It reminds us that ecosystems are not simple. They are layered networks of living strategies, millions of species adapting, reacting, and improvising in ways that science is only beginning to understand. And if something this strange can unfold in an ordinary North American forest, imagine what is happening right now in the deepest oceans, or the densest jungles, or the unexplored corners of our own planet. Because the more we study nature, the clearer one truth becomes. We have only just begun to see how mysterious life on Earth really is.